Would you agree with me that if I told you that most entrepreneurs are actually glorified employees? They don't actually run their business runs them. They're no different than the employee they hired. How is that healthy? How is that living life on your own terms? How is that giving you the freedom that you wanted when you first launched your business?
Think about it. Employees have a never-ending to-do list, never truly knowing if they're allowed to take a break. If they stop working for a few days, everything breaks down. The business literally can't move on without them. They're under the constant thumb of meetings, deadlines, and never-ending tasks. Unfortunately, that's how most so-called entrepreneurs run their businesses. Maybe you're the same. You work all day, unable to take breaks or vacations when you want, giving more attention to your clients, to your inbox, and your team members than your own family. How is that living life on your own terms? How is that giving you the freedom you wanted when you first launched your business? You already know the answer. It's not. Freedom has been silently stolen from you. And unless you do something about it and use a system that takes you out of the daily operations, you're going to crash. Your business will run you into the ground, and it'll give you so much stress. The last thing you want is to run your business. It's happened to so many entrepreneurs before you, and will keep happening. I know this because I've helped thousands of people like you stop running their businesses like this, and instead build a system for them that helps them scale while taking them out of the day-to-day grind. My name is Dan Lefebvre, and I'm the best-selling author and business coach to thousands of 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs who were once pummeled each day with the stress of their businesses, constantly putting out fires, hiring unqualified team members, and were practically prisoners to the businesses they were so passionate about. But with my signature focused productivity system, these entrepreneurs now live with more flexibility, happiness, and financial freedom. It had nothing to do with working more, or putting in 10,000 hours to become an expert, or thinking more sales would instantly mean more freedom. All they did was use my proven system that's helped thousands of successful entrepreneurs systematize and automate their businesses. They went from working 12-hour days to working 12-hour weeks. Wouldn't you like that? They doubled, tripled, and even quadrupled their monthly revenue. And they got the confidence and learned to trust that their business could run successfully even without them managing every part and every day. Because of that, they experienced freedom they never felt before. They go on holiday whenever they want to. They're making memories with their families, being more present in their kids' and spouses' lives. They even have time to start other ventures, creating new income streams that amplify their lifestyles, all while having their main business succeed and impact more people. Now, they don't just have a successful business, but a legacy of an incredible entrepreneur and someone who was able to live the life they want. You can have the same thing. I want to help you make it happen, which is why I'm giving you my proven 12-week focused productivity system for free. This is the same system that helped people like Alice. Alice was once putting in 12-hour workdays, but now only works 12-hour weeks. Then there's Daniel, who suffered from the stress that his business couldn't stop, even though he needed a break. Now, Daniel quadrupled his revenue and even launched a podcast that'll impact thousands of people. Finally, there's Brad, who tried everything from personal development, other coaching programs, and delegating his work, but still failed to have a system that allowed him to scale to millions while taking care of his own health and family. With my 12-week focused productivity system, not only did he finally find the balance he wanted, but he was able to earn multiple 6-figure months almost immediately. You can achieve similar results, and together we'll make it happen. When you're ready for these kinds of results, click to get your own copy of the 12-week focused productivity system for free. You've got this, and I've got your back.